My dear friends, welcome to Art Magic. Dear friends, welcome to the Christmas holiday. I know you all are eagerly awaiting Santa Claus and the gifts too. Let's draw a Christmas tree today. Before decorating it at school and home, let's sketch it and plan accordingly for how we will decorate our Christmas tree. Decorating a Christmas tree is one of the most joyous things in my life. I enjoy decorating it with my sister, brother, grandparents, and of course, with my parents. We'll have lots of fun and enjoy good food while decorating the tree. Wow! It's done, let's color it. You can add more objects. I'm planning for my Christmas tree to look like this. How do you plan yours? Please let me know. love to draw Christmas trees with you. Do you also love it? Please share your drawings with me. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, Art Magic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring. Wish you Merry Christmas. Enjoy your time with your all friends and family.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.